In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can check your DMs on Instagram, including message request and hidden request. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. And we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up that Instagram app on your device, and up at the top right, go ahead and tap on that DM icon. It kind of looks like a chat bubble or a messenger icon. This is going to open up your main inbox where you're going to see messages from people that you follow, bold conversations, indicate that you do have new unread messages. And if someone you don't follow actually messages you, it's not going to appear in this main inbox. Instead, it's actually going to pop up in this request tab that's right below those Instagram stories. And these are going to be any messages that are waiting for approval. You can accept them or delete them. Sometimes Instagram does filter messages for spam or safety reasons, and that's going to be in this hidden request section right here. Just keep in mind, important messages can end up here as well. So it's worth checking no matter what. But overall, that is it. That's how you can find all of your Instagram DMs, including request and hidden folders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.